As you're breaking the nights looking at the charts, trying to determine when to buy low and when to buy high, there is an arbitrage trading bot which has been set by some person and is helping them to make profits by buying low and selling high. Regardless of the fact that the market is crashing, it's able to help them make some profits. Hi, this is Elijah, and this is the Digital Wealth Blueprint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an arbitrage trading bot on two different platforms. That's on Pionex and on Binance. If you haven't yet created accounts on those two platforms, I urge you to click the links in the description section and then create the accounts. Without any further ado, let's take a ride. Welcome back, and thank you so much for sticking around. So first things, log on to your Binance account, and then what you do next is then you navigate to the trading section. When you click on the trade tab, this is what you're gonna see. So what you do is you go to where it reads trading bots and then tap that. When this section loads, you'll see a number of bots on Binance, right? So we have an arbitrage bot here, we have the futures, we have the position snowball, we have the futures grid, we have the spot grid, the rebalancing bot, we have the spot DC, we have the spot algo. Our interest is to activate the arbitrage bot. So you click arbitrage bot and the interface will load just like this. So what you need to do here is you quickly read through the walkthrough. So they're saying choose a arbitrage portfolio. When 3-day cumulative funding rate is positive, use positive carry. So you can click next. Then they say input investment amount. You click next after reading through all these instructions. And they're saying create a arbitrage portfolio. And then they're saying once a arbitrage strategy is created, it will appear on the running session. Click next. And then they're saying close a arbitrage portfolio. Then click start trading. So that is just a quick walkthrough so as to guide you through. Yeah. So from there, what you need to do is you select the cryptocurrency pairs that you will be trading, right? And you can do that from here. You click on the downward pointing arrow and you can check through. Is it TRX? Is it TRX USDT pair? Is it ETC USDT? But you can leave this the way it is if you're good with what you're saying, because this is automatically set for you. And then what you do is you navigate to the right side so that you can punch in the amount of USDT that you're going to invest. Right now, if you don't have USDT, you can simply click the plus icon here and you'll be prompted to either transfer or deposit USDT. If you don't know how to deposit, I've actually done a separate video where I explained clearly how to deposit crypto onto your Binance account. You can check for the link in the description section. I'll actually plant it there. And after you have deposited crypto, here you can actually punch in the amount that you want to actually invest. So they're saying the minimum investment size is 162.98. How about if we make it 170.8? All right. So after you happen to punch in the amount of USDT that you're going to invest, you scroll down here, right? You scroll down, and then here you choose the number of days. The saying recommended minimum holding period is 31 days, right? You can click the arrow there to check if there are any other days. The period which is recommended here is 30 days. So you go by 30. If you want, you can click next, right, so as to check on the other periods which are available, and then you click OK, right? So after you happen to punch in the amount of USDT that you're going to invest, you can actually, then they're saying entry spread rather, and then here you can uncheck this one, and once you do that, you can now hit create, right? You hit create and you'll be good to go.